Hey everyone, what's up? It's Elise. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because it's going to be all about hair. I am going to share with you guys how I keep my blonde hair healthy, how I make sure to keep my bleached blonde hair, I know those words don't sound that great, healthy. And obviously like nice and long and whatnot and voluminous. I want to share with you guys all the products that I use, techniques, shampoos, conditioners, masks, literally anything and everything. I always get so many questions about my hair. So yeah, you guys are probably like, Elise, your hair is quite obviously like kind of brown. Yeah, I know. Guess what we're gonna do today? Go get our hair dyed. Let me show you guys a little bit what my hair looks like now before we go and get it done super soon. So just a little overview. My roots are obviously my natural hair color. I'm a natural brunette. I've been dyeing my hair for like 6 years now, blonde. So yeah, let's go get this brown hair blonde. Let's go get it dyed. And we're back with blonde hair. It's about freaking time, y'all. My hair has been dark for so long. I think last time I got it dyed was like 5 months ago. Literally got so much cut off, you guys. I got like 4 to 5 inches cut off of my hair. Feeling like a new person, and I'm loving the color. It's looking so good. So if you guys want to know what 10 products I use to keep my blonde hair healthy, not damaged, not breaking off, then keep on watching. Okay, you guys, let's get started showing you the products that I know you are all here for. So this isn't all the hair products I use. I use a ton of hair products for my hair. These are just the products that are mainly targeted to help the blonde and like the dyeing of my hair, since I have been dyeing my hair for 6 years now, I think, like bleaching it blonde and whatnot. I know that I'm not like super blonde, but obviously I like get highlights. I don't want to be a full platinum blonde like how many girls are. So let me show you guys what I use for shampoo. This shampoo, you guys, I have been using for at least like 7 years and I freaking love it. You can get it at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, any of those types of stores for literally this huge jug for like $16, and this lasts me like a year. Like, and it comes with a pump. It's freaking great. It is the Joico Moisture Recovery Shampoo, and it's for dry hair. So this is what it looks like. It is freaking great though. Like I said, this thing is cheap. It lasts forever. And also curly hair in general, like my type of hair pattern is dry in general. So that's why I started getting this, because I started using this even before I dyed my hair. But obviously when you're dyeing your hair, especially bleaching it, it gets dried out very easily. So you have to like replenish it and you want to moisturize it, which is obviously very hard to do since it's hair. It's not like your skin where you can just rub a moisturizer on it. So this stuff is freaking great because it helps so much. I usually will obviously take like 6 pumps of this, especially when I have longer hair, leave it in for a few minutes, and my hair comes off so soft and it helps it so much. And like I said, it's so freaking cheap. So to go hand in hand with that brand is this Joico Blonde Life Brightening Conditioner for illuminating, hydration, and softness. So I love this stuff because it basically brightens your hair, kind of like how purple shampoo does, but obviously purple shampoo kind of works in a different way. Obviously I'm not like a hairstylist. I don't specifically know how they work. I just know that they take the brassiness out, but this isn't a purple shampoo. It comes out just like a light pale like tannish color. I broke the top off, so don't mind that. But yeah, this is what it looks like. You can get this at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, all those types of stores. I've been using this for so long. It lasts forever. It's only like $16 like I said, and it's freaking great. I really like this too because a lot of like purple shampoos or like blonde conditioners can be super drying like I said, and this does not dry out your hair at all, and it still works to keep your hair very vibrant and whatnot. Because sometimes I feel like when I use purple shampoos, my hair isn't as vibrant. Like it does tone my hair, like the brassiness, but my hair seems like more dull, and this kind of makes it like come back to life type of thing, and it keeps it hydrated and soft. Okay, so now on to masks. I rotate between like 3 to 4 different masks. I use a lot of olaplex. I'm sure that everyone uses this. It's a great product for blonde damaged hair. Obviously my hair's not damaged, but just like so it prevents the damage and whatnot. This is Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I got all my Olaplex conditioners and treatments off of Sephora. I always buy it during the sale so you get some money off because it can be freaking expensive. So this is just like a hair mask and you leave it on for I think 5 minutes, 3 minutes. So it's super quick and easy if you're just looking for something simple. Usually whenever I wash my hair, I shave my legs and like shave and everything and exfoliate. So I'll pop this on like when I'm done like shampooing, rinsing off my body, cleaning, whatever. And then I'll pop this on my hair. I put a good amount at the roots because obviously that's what you're dyeing, like that's what has just been dyed is like right up here. So I put a good amount here and like in the front since you can have those like little pieces that are like fried and stuff. And then I'll like take another pump and run it through my ends, but usually I did have longer hair so I probably use more than I would now when my hair is a lot shorter. But yeah, this just really helps like strengthening your hair and I really like it and it's quick and easy. So you guys, if you are freaking broke and you want to get one product from this video and one product only because you only have the money to buy one product, I totally understand that, then get this. This is the Olaplex number 3 Hair Perfector. I got the small version because just the small version is like $25, which is insane. They make a huge value size version, but it was like $60 and I just didn't want to spend it. I wanted to try it first and everyone recommends this and I know why. It's freaking amazing. So you have to leave it on for I think at least 10 minutes, but you can leave it on for like an hour. I usually leave it on for like half an hour, but you have to do it before you shampoo. That's the key and that's how this works. So usually before I shower, I have a spray bottle of water. I know that's probably weird, but I use a spray bottle and I'll drench my head pretty well. And then I'll run this through the top, through the roots, like generous amount. And then usually I just leave it down. A lot of people put it up in a bun, but I just kind of like leave it down. I don't really think that matters. I usually leave it on for like half an hour, like I said. And when you wash your hair and then brush it out, your hair is so soft. So if you like want platinum blonde and your hair is super damaged and fried, definitely try this because it really will replenish your hair and help with the breakage and just help it like feel and look more healthy again. And I think it's freaking amazing. I definitely will be rebuying again, probably in the value size because in the long run you will spend money with the value size. But yeah, if you're gonna buy one product, get this. So this next product is from Olaplex as well, and it is the number 6 Bond Smoother. So this is a actual leave-in conditioner, and it's for like frizz and hydration, and it protects your hair. So I always put this on like the ends of my hair and sometimes on top because I get really frizzy on like the top and root of my head, and also on the bottoms, just like so they aren't as dry and stuff because I know so many people deal with dry ends. If you deal with that, I definitely would recommend this. It looks like this because it really helps with replenishing your ends and obviously just like adding hydration in. So after I wash my hair, conditioner, everything, get out of the shower, I put a ton of product in my hair, and this is one. I just take a little bit, put it on my ends, and then a little bit up here. The last mask that I have is this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. And I'm sure you guys have all heard of this one. You probably know the deal. This thing is great. It's huge. It's very liquidy, so I can't really tilt it. But it comes in this huge freaking tub. It really hydrates your hair. It's a Allure-winning beauty expert product, so I think that speaks for itself. But it's freaking amazing, you guys. You leave it on for at least like 5 to 10 minutes, I'm pretty sure. Like it recommends, I think like 8 to 10. I try to get 5. This stuff is so good at, like I said, just replenishing moisture. I don't think that the Olaplex or Joico has anything harsh in it, but this has no harsh sulfates, silicones, or parabens, which that can really weigh down your hair and kind of like, if you have curly hair like me, it can decrease like your curl pattern, so it just like turns into wavy hair and no one wants that. So this stuff is freaking amazing as a hair mask. So another treatment that I would recommend is this Moroccan oil treatment. I have the smaller version because it is so expensive. But after you wash your hair and you condition it and you get out of the shower, put any products you want in it, you just dump a little bit of this in your hand and put it on your ends, anywhere else. And like I said, with anything else, Moroccan oil is amazing for hydration for your hair, so your hair is not so dry and like weighed down. So if you do have damaged hair, I definitely would recommend this. It is expensive, but it freaking works. This is the BB Hairdresser Invisible Oil. But this is kind of just like a touch-up spray. I will spray it around my hair or at the ends whenever I'm on like second or third day hair, just like so the frizz is eliminated, and it's freaking great. Sometimes I'll spray it in the palm of my hands, rub it together, and like rub it through my hair, and it just kind of takes the frizz away. Also, what I like about this is it's a heat protectant as well, but it also helps protect your hair from UV rays, which can be very drying and damaging to your hair. So I thought that that was really cool, and I really like this. It definitely conditions your hair as well. Okay, now you guys are probably all wondering, Elise, where's the purple shampoo? What do you use? So this is it. I use the Amika Bust Your Brass Cool Shampoo. This stuff is amazing, you guys. It'll last for freaking ever. I have seriously had this bottle of shampoo since I think either November or December. So that's like, what, 6 or 7 months at least. And I only use it like 2 to 3 times a month. I usually do it every 3rd hair wash. That's a tip. But do not use purple shampoo every single hair wash because it will dry out your hair. This one definitely doesn't have like drying agents in it, but other ones do. Like, I think it's called Folio or something like that, that a lot of people use, which is amazing. It makes your hair very bright and platinum looking, but that can dry out your hair a lot. So if you are using that, don't use it that much. But this stuff is really nice because it doesn't dry out your hair. It's a little less harsh on your hair than like the one that I just mentioned, and it does a great job. This is a small bottle, but it does last forever, and it's so freaking cute, and it's nice and small too, so you can throw it in your bag when you're traveling, and I just think it does a great job. It definitely busts the brass. So the last product that I wanted to recommend for you guys for hair and blonde hair, and so you're not damaging your hair, is a wet brush. I know this is super simple. Mine's disgusting because this is like 3 years old. But you guys, if you do not have a freaking wet brush, you need to go on Amazon, type in wet brush, and order one right now. They're like $8 or $9. Freaking get one. When you brush your hair with a regular brush when you're out of the shower and you're like whipping through your hair, you're freaking damaging it. So you need to get one of these right now. When I put conditioner in my hair, when I'm conditioning it, I let it sit in for a minute or two, not a mask, just regular conditioner like the Joico blonde one. And then after like 2 minutes, I will start brushing through the ends first. That's where you start, all the way up, and it just helps you go through your hair so much easier because my hair can get super tangly, and it's just amazing. Even when your hair is out of the shower and it's still a little wet, it just helps you not damage your hair that much, break it that much, and it's just freaking amazing. You need to get one. So those are all the products that I use and that I would recommend to help save your damaged, detangled, busted blonde hair, or if you're trying to just prevent your hair from being so damaged or brassy or dehydrated, definitely invest in some of those products. Those products I've been using for a while now, and they help my hair so much. They help with the hydration, the volume. It doesn't look dead or disgusting or broken or anything like that. It doesn't look fried, doesn't look disgusting. They keep them healthy and replenished and hydrated and looking great all the time. Then definitely check out those products. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching it. If you did like this video and this type of content, please subscribe down below to my channel. I'll be posting so many videos with this type of content, beauty content, fitness and fashion and lifestyle. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.